Hello friends, welcome to the channel Easy Maths with Rajeshwari. How are you all? In my previous video, I have explained you about the elimination method. How did you find that method? Quite easy, isn't it? In this video, I will explain you about the substitution method. This method is used to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. This is the part 4 of this topic. So let us learn how to solve the pair of linear equations by substitution method. As you know, substitute means to put the value of any variable. Okay, so here we observe that we got a pair of linear equations in two variables. First one is x minus 2y equal to 0 and the another one is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. What we have to do in this? We have to find any x value or y value from any one of the equation, then we have to put it into the second equation. Suppose we got x value from the first equation, then we have to put that value of x in second equation. Suppose you are finding the value of x from second equation, then you have to substitute in first equation. You can find any value, x or y, any value you can find. Okay, so here if I see the first equation, x minus 2y equal to 0, it is little bit easier than this one to calculate. So I will consider this equation. Okay, let us give the name to this, numbering to this equations. Equation 1, equation 2. Okay, from first equation, x minus 2y equals to 0. I will find x value. How to find x value? X is equals to 0 minus 2y will become plus 2y. So I got x value as 2y. Okay. I am finding x value from first equation. X minus 2y equal to 0. Minus 2y will go that side. It will become plus 2y. So x is equals to 2y. So I got here x value. Let us consider this as third equation. Now you have got this x value from first equation. That's why you will substitute this value in second equation. Okay, from which equation you are finding, don't substitute in that same. You will not get any answer. You have to substitute this value in the another equation. So let us substitute this value in another equation. The another equation is 3x plus 4y equals to 20. 3 into x value is 2y plus 4y equals to 20. Now 3 2s are 6y plus 4y equals to 20. 10y equals to 20 and then we get y equals to 20 upon 10. 10 1s are 10 2s are. Y value is 2. Okay, this y value we are going to substitute in third equation to get x value. So x equals to 2y is equals to 2 into y is 2, 2 2s are 4. Y value is 2. Then 2 2s are 4. So we got x value as 4. Okay, so the solution is 4, 2. What we have done in this? We have calculated x value from first equation and we have substituted that value in second equation. Okay, after solving second equation, then we got any one variable. Here we are getting y. Then put this y value again in this and you will get x value. So the solution is 4, 2. This is substitution method. Let us solve the second example. Second example is 2x plus y equals to 5 and 3x minus 2y equal to 4. Again we have to do the same thing. We have to find out any one value and substitute it into the second equation. So here again I am finding this first equation easier to calculate. So let us give numbering. From first, what we have to do? 2x minus y equals to 5. I will find y value from this. Okay, you can find x value also, but if I find y value, I will get minus y equals to 5. 2x will go here, it will become minus 2x. But I don't want minus y. It is minus y here. So I got here minus y and 2x I sent that side. It became minus 2x. Now I will change all the sign. Okay, or you multiply all the terms by minus 1. So you will get plus y equals to minus 5 plus 2x. Okay, this y value, suppose this is third equation. What we have to do? We have to substitute this y value in any one equation from first. No, not in any one equation. From first we have calculated. So we will substitute this value of y in second equation. So consider second equation. 3x minus 2y equals to 4. So 3x minus 2. Y is minus 5 plus 2x equal to 4. Now 3x minus plus 2 5s are 10, minus plus minus 2 2s are 4x equal to 4. Now 3x minus 4x will give you minus x equals to 4. 10 will go that side, it will become minus 10. Minus x equals to minus 6. X equals to 6. Okay, what we have done here? We have calculated the value of y from this first equation. 2x, first equation is plus here. 2x minus y equals to 5. So it became minus y equals to 5 minus 2x, and then we have multiplied by minus 1 because we don't want minus y here, we want plus y. So we got x value as 6. Now this x value 6 you substitute in this. Y is equals to minus 5 plus 2 into 6. Y is equals to minus 5. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 5. How much? 7. Okay, so solution is 6 7. Solution is 6 7. See what we have done? 2x minus y equal to 5. 3x minus 2y equal to 4. We have considered first equation. 2x minus y equals to 5. In this first equation, we have got minus y equals to 5. Then 2 will go that side, minus 2x. Now, I don't want this minus y. So, what we have to do? We have to multiply all the terms by minus 1. So, minus 1 into minus y, minus minus plus y, and here will become minus 1 into 5, minus 5. Then minus plus, minus minus plus. 2x 1s are 2x. This is the value of y. This we have to substitute in second equation because we got this value from first equation. So we will substitute in second. Suppose you will get from second equation, you will substitute in first. Okay. So 3x minus 2y equal to 4. And here 3x minus 2. Then y value, we are writing here y value. Then multiplying 3x plus 2 5s are 10, minus minus plus. Then 2 2s are 4x equal to 4. Now minus x, 3x minus 4x minus x equal to 4. This plus 10 will become minus 10. And we get minus x equals to minus 6. So x equal to 6. This x value 6. Here we got y value. In this you put x value. Okay, then you will get minus 5 plus 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 5 will give you 7. So the solution is 6 7. Let us see third example. I have considered third example 9x plus 10y equals to 42 and 9x minus 10y equals to 14. This is first equation and this is second equation. From second equation, I am finding the value of x. Okay, let us consider second equation. 9x minus 10y equal to 14. Now minus 10y, I will send to this side, it will become plus 10y. And x value will become 14 plus 10y upon 9 because it is 9x. 9 is divided here. Okay. So this is the value of x. Consider this third equation. Right? This value of x we have got from second. So we will substitute it into the first equation. So let us substitute in first equation. 9x plus 10y equal to 42. This is first equation. From second we have to find and put in first. If you find from first, then substitute in second. Now this one we find it from this one. No? We have found this from second equation. Now we will substitute it into the first equation. So first equation is this. Now put x value here. 14 plus 10y upon 9 plus this 10y equal to 42. 9 will get cancelled. 14 plus 10y plus 10y 20y. Then 14 you have to subtract. 14 will go to this side and you have to subtract it. Okay. 42 minus 14 will give you 28. So y equals to 28 upon 20 means 7 by 5. Okay. So y value is 7 by 5. Now this y value we will substitute in third to get x value. So 14 x is equals to 14 plus 10 into y means 7 by 5. Okay, upon whole upon 9. Whole upon 9. Then 5 ones are 5 twos are. Okay, 5 ones are 5 twos are. We can cancel it. Then 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 14, 28 upon 9. X value you get as 28 upon 9. And y value is 7 by 5. Okay, so this is the solution. Let us see the fourth example. Fourth example is given as 5x plus 7y equals to 50 and 7x plus 5y equals to 46. Okay, let us solve it by first equation. You find the value of x or y anything. Let us find the value of y. Okay, from first equation. 5x plus 7y equals to 50. 5 y value we want to find. So 7y equals to 50. 5x will become minus 5x. So y is equals to 50 minus 5x upon 7. This is the value of y. Give it to third equation. Okay. Now this value of y we have to substitute in second one because we got this value from first equation. So we will substitute in second. Okay, let us substitute in second. Second equation is 7x plus 5y equals to 46. Put the value of y in this. 7x plus 5. Y value is 50 minus 5x upon 7 is equals to 46. Okay, what to do now? 7x plus multiply with this. This 5 is outside this bracket. So multiply 5 5s are 25 to 50 minus 5 5s are 25x. This upon 7 equal to 46. Multiply now all terms by 7 because we don't want this 7. Okay. 7 7s are 49x plus 7 into this 7 will get cancelled. You will get 250 minus 25x is equals to 7 into 46. Multiply this 7 with all because we don't want 7 here in denominator. So multiply with all. So here 7 7s are 49. And if you multiply this by 7, 7 will get cancelled. 46 multiplied by 7. What did you get? 7 6 are 42. 322. Okay. Now 49 minus 25. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 24x is equals to 322 minus 250. 24x is equals to 2 minus 0, 2. Okay. Then 12 minus 5, 7. Then 72. So x is equals to 72 upon 24. 24, how many is a 72? 24 ones are 24 threes are. है ना? 24 into 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 twos are 6 and 1, 7. 72. Okay, so x value we got as 3. This 3x value, where you have to submit? Where you have to substitute? In this. Y is equals to 50 minus 5 into 3 upon 7. So y is equals to 50 minus 5 3s are 15 upon 7. Okay. Y is equals to 50 minus 15, 35 upon 7. So 7 ones are 7 5s are 5. So y is 5. So we got 3, 5. Solution is 3, 5. Like this we have to solve by substitution method. Okay. These are your practice problems. Solve them by substitution method. How to solve? Find x value or y value from any one of the equation and substitute it into the another equation. Then solve for x and y. Take care of signing. Negative, positive sign, multiplication, calculation should not be wrong. Okay, this all take care and solve these problems and send me the answers on WhatsApp. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.